What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Better Home soap dispenser. Now, I was just browsing around. I wasn't actually looking for this. Now, I did have some saved in the wish list on my Amazon. I don't know if it's still saved there, but yeah, for the most part we use foam soap. So this one is, I believe, liquid soap. I don't think you could use foam on this. 4 AAA batteries not included. Great. Now I gotta run back upstairs to get batteries. All right, it says battery operated, motion sensor. It says non-foaming liquid soap. With that being said, we have liquid soap right here. Now, let me run back upstairs and get 4 AAA batteries. Oh, great. Now I need to get a screwdriver. Wasted 2 minutes of life with that. So, why I don't have a screwdriver down here, I don't know. Okay, so right now we're just going to use the drill gun. All right, 4 batteries, AAA, and put the cover back on, and it acts like it don't want to go back on. There we go. Oh, this review right here. Matter of fact, I'll put this on later. I ain't gonna deal with that. All right, you guys. So if anybody want to know, this is, I think I said it was from Walmart, right? But if anybody want to know, this is 20 bucks. I think it was 18 something, and round it off, it'll be 20 bucks. But right here we have this rubber that comes off. This is basically the instructions. I'll snap a photo and show y'all while I'm doing it anyway. Kind of don't need instructions, but it's there. All right. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Can y'all see it fill in the middle? Let me look at the camera. Can't really see nothing. Oops. 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 And oops. Okay, you guys, so it's still going down. I think that's about it. All right, you guys, I think I filled this up to the super max. All right, so this is 7.5 fluid ounces. I don't think I used all of this. What does it say this thing holds? This thing is 6 fluid ounces, so we basically put 6 in here because it says 7, and it looked like we got another ounce left of this. Now the thing is, I can't get the top on because soap will go everywhere. It's almost no point of putting that up, and I got soap everywhere. All right, you guys, so let's see how this works and finish this review. In the instructions, it just says press the power button, but obviously if you're new to this, you won't know where the power button is. It took me like 10 minutes to figure out where is the power button. So the power button is right here. All right, they got a little power symbol right there. You hit that, and now you got power. Close the lid, and that's how much soap they just gave me. That little bit of soap. Oh, okay, now that's better. Maybe it was trying to get through the system with the pipes or the hoses. All right, so we wash our hands, blah blah blah. Oh, this is cool. I ain't gonna lie, washing hands is fun now. All right, you guys, so that's the end with this review. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section. Now, it don't say how much soap it dispenses out, but I mean, that's as much as you're going to get. Okay, so I don't know the exact amount, but y'all can see on the video, that's the amount. So it's about the same. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe.